So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. Now once you're on this, you want to make sure that your speakers are set as your default device. So these are my speakers right here, and it has the green tick, which means it's a default device. To make it default device, you want to click on set default, which is right here. Then you want to double click on your speakers, and then you want to click on the advanced tab, and you want to change this to the highest quality, which is DVD quality, and then click on OK, and then click on yes. Now for the second step, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to expand audio inputs and outputs, and then you want to find your speakers. These are mine right here. You want to right click on it and then click on disable device and then click on yes. I'm not going to disable it because I'm recording right now, but you disable it. So once you disable it, you want to right click on your device again and then click on enable device. And then once you do that, you want to do the same thing for Realtek digital output. So with your Realtek audio, you want to right click on it, disable device, click on yes, and then you want to right click on it again and then enable the device. Then once you do that, you want to click on action and then scan for hardware changes. Now you want to reset your computer and then the problem should be fixed.